Is the audio working right now? What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chills. Nash here with another unboxing and a review. This time it's a little bit risky. This is the Hisense 4K Ultra HD TV model H65 series. And it comes with Android TV, Google Assist built in, 65-inch for an insane price of $249. I'm pretty sure this is the cheapest 4K pixel per dollar you can buy. I might be wrong, but I've never seen a TV this cheap. So of course I had to buy it because why not? But at the same time, I needed a TV in the basement, and this was the best choice to buy. This was the best choice to buy because I would probably use it once a year. It was the obvious choice. I bought this the day after Black Friday. It came on like around midnight. I was able to buy it, and it shipped here in 2 days. And I don't know what to say else other than that. The only down thing of this TV is that this TV comes only at 60 Hertz and not 120. If you're new to this channel, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and without further ado, let's unbox this TV from Hisense. Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so we just set up this TV. We had to use a knockoff mount that we bought off of Amazon. It was like $39 because my media center is just too small for it, so we bought that. Not a big deal. $250. You can see, I mean, the TV is very, very responsive. I'm just pressing and you can see how fast it is. You just log in with your Google account, which is awesome. And then you can download all the apps you already have if you want them. They have them on TV. Have all of your YouTube stuff integrated into here, actually open up your email, calendar, and everything through here, which is amazing. At the same time, it has also integrated in Google Assistant microphone through your microphone, so you can just press the button, open up Google. Hey Google, good morning.
Hi, you found the new good morning. What can I do for you? Let's try it together.
I do have Stop! Hey Google!
Sorry.
Stop!
I messed up.
I have way too many Googles. Hey. Hey Google. Stop. That was a complete fail. I have a Google right there and I have a Google right here, and they were both saying two different things at the same time. But yes, so you have Google integrated into here on the microphone, not on the microphone, on the remote control, so you can press a button, talk to your Google and tell it to do whatever you want on this TV. Everything is already integrated. You can actually do everything you want on here. Open up Netflix, opening up YouTube. So it's really cool. The picture is really nice. I have not noticed any tearing or any issues with the 60 hertz instead of 120. So far I really like it. As you can see in the video, you'll see my video playing, that was 1080, and then you'll see also another video playing on a beach that is 4K. It looks super crisp and it's really nice. I gotta say also the audio on this TV sounds really good. So overall, I have zero complaints about this TV, honestly, other than why is it so cheap? Like, I have no problems with this TV so far. It feels like it's stable. The packaging was great, as you can see in the video. So yeah, if you find a deal like this around, don't be scared to buy it. It's a really good TV overall, and I'm very happy with the purchase. And I love how fast Android TV is. You can see it's very responsive any-media, and it has all the apps that Roku already has because it comes from Google Play Store. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you like this TV, I'll leave all the links down below in the description, and I'll leave also a link to the mount that I ended up using on this TV. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and help us grow on YouTube. I appreciate it. And we also stream on twitch.tv/givehimchills. So if you want to come over there and play some video games with us, I'll leave all those links down below in the description. Other than that, thank you for watching and goodbye.